Guys, this is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes. Guys, welcome to my channel. Today for dinner I'm going to cook chicken stew. So I'm going to cut my chicken. So I'll start by cutting the leg. So I'm not cooking the whole chicken, I'm just cooking half the chicken. So I've cut the leg, and then I'm gonna cut the chicken wing, cut the other leg. I'm just going to cut the chicken into pieces so that I can cook my chicken. If you don't know how to cut a chicken into pieces, you can always buy already cut chicken pieces. So now I'm just gonna separate the chicken and cut the chicken wings just like that. I'm looking for, I don't like big pieces of chicken, so I'm looking for small sizable chicken pieces. Always cut it if it's too big for you. Alright, that looks good, guys. So I've washed and cleaned the chicken. Now I'm going to season the chicken with paprika, a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of black pepper, and salt. Let's add some salt. I'm going to just marinate this for a few minutes. I'm gonna add some oil just to help with the marinating. Add some oil. So remember guys, I've washed my chicken and now I'm marinating just in paprika, black pepper and salt. I'm just gonna marinate for about 10 minutes, or 10 to 15, because I'm running late for my dinner. Marinate for a few minutes. Like I said guys, this is gonna be a chicken stew with a very rich sauce. Let's see how this turns out. Alright guys, I'm using a non-stick pan. I'm gonna add some oil, just about 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil that you like, vegetable oil, olive oil, doesn't matter, just oil. I'm just gonna let this heat up, and now I'm adding my chicken. I'm looking to brown my chicken to a nice golden brown color. I'm just gonna flip sides, guys. Just flip the side. Let's see. Now guys, I'm going to set this chicken aside. So I'll cook the chicken for about 10 minutes. I'll set it aside. And then I'm gonna make my sauce, the base of my sauce. I'm adding 1 onion and cook the onion for 1 to 2 minutes and until it's starting to smell good. This is a 1 large onion, guys. Then I'm going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add about 5 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic, and we're gonna cook for a few minutes. Alright, now I'm going to add turmeric, a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander, and then a teaspoon of curry powder, sorry. So a teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of coriander powder. I'm going to cook my spices for a few minutes until they are nice and cooked and they are fragrant. So I'm not going to rush to put any tomato paste yet. I'm just going to cook these spices, making sure they are cooked and they are now becoming fragrant. Now I'm going to add also a tablespoon of tomato paste. So I'm cooking this tomato paste also for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add a cup of water. And now I'm going to add 3 cubes of chicken stock, and then let's mix this through. 3 cubes of chicken stock. Bring this to boil. Now I'm bringing back the chicken. Just bring back the chicken. All right. I'm going to add my vegetable. So just some carrots, diced carrots. Just put them in there. Alright, I'm covering this for about 20 minutes. Guys, this is how the chicken looks after 20 minutes.